Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I'd like to invite everyone to our upcoming global demonstration tomorrow. We will be demonstrating against China's genocide of Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in East Turkestan. This demonstration will be taking place in several countries, including the United States, Japan, France, Australia, Canada, and Germany. Unfortunately, we just received some unfortunate news that the White House area will be closed off for a couple of days, starting later this evening, possibly because of the upcoming March on Washington tomorrow. So we will be relocating our demonstration here in Washington, D.C. to in front of the State Department. The timing will be the same from 12 p.m., which is noon, to 2 p.m. Eastern time. We also invite people in the New York City area to join us in front of the UN at the Wall of Isiah from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. tomorrow to protest against China and to call on the international community, including the U.S. government and all governments across the world, to officially recognize China's atrocities against the Uyghur and other Turkic peoples as a genocide, and to act upon it to ensure that we don't see a 21st century Holocaust. There are already signs of this happening. What China is doing in East Turkestan is no doubt a genocide. For the past 70 years, China has been colonizing East Turkestan and subjecting its people to genocide and occupation. Thus, I will briefly tell everyone about the different locations that we will be holding it in other countries in the event that we invite every community, everyone that opposes genocide, everyone that supports freedom and democracy to join us. In Tokyo, it will be held in front of the United Nations Information Center in Tokyo from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Tokyo time. In Paris, they will be holding it in front of the National Assembly in Paris, the French Parliament, from 8:30 to 10 a.m. Paris time. In Adelaide, Australia, they will be holding it in front of the Parliament House in Adelaide from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Adelaide time. In Edmonton, Canada, they will be holding it in front of the Alberta Legislature building from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And in Frankfurt, Germany, they will be holding it in front of the Chinese consulate in Frankfurt from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Again, this movement is actively being supported by the Tibetan community, the Falun Gong, including the Tibetan Central Tibetan Administration, which is the Tibetan government in exile. This protest is against not only against China, but also against the inaction and indifference of the international community over China's genocide and crimes against humanity in East Turkestan. Again, our demand will be for the UN and all governments across the world to recognize the genocide and act to stop it. Tomorrow also, Saturday also marks the 4th anniversary of Chen Chuan-go in succeeding to the position of the Communist Party Secretary of what China calls Xinjiang, which is actually East Turkestan. He had previously been the architect of genocide and police state in Tibet, and now since 2016, he has been the architect of China's mass genocide, concentration camps, and the overall police state which we see today. We will be calling on the United Nations to also pressure the International Criminal Court and the International Court of Justice to investigate and prosecute Chinese officials, including Chen Chuan-go, Xi Jinping, and others for genocide and other crimes against humanity that they have conducted against East Turkestan's people, Tibet's people, and the people of China as well. Again, we invite everyone who opposes genocide, everyone who supports freedom and democracy to join us in front of the State Department tomorrow and in front of the UN headquarters in New York City tomorrow and other places across the world. Thank you.